to Chicago. Kids, say hi.
Hi!
Hugs. We're headed to the airport. Y'all, my hair looks a fright, but it's okay. It looks very nice. Abby's in a room with Mimi. And then I'm in a room with everybody else. 1,000 kids. So we just made it to Chicago. Y'all, the lighting in the hallway of this hotel is atrocious. Atrocious. It's so bad. I wanted to shoot content in here. Maybe I might still be able to. Who knows? So, what is this stuff only? Oh, God. I forgot my room number. 374, maybe. We just landed, got to the hotel. Our view is not as nice as my mother-in-law and Abby's view.
Get off my bed.
But, you know.
Get off my bed. Mommy's on your bed.
Beggars can't be choosers. We're in the room with the kiddos.
Kiddos! Kiddos! Kiddos!
Yeah, so. We really can't do anything today because it's already like 6 o'clock. So I think what we're going to do is take the kids to eat and come back and rest because it's been a long travel day for us. So, yeah, I'm going to unpack just a little bit, not too much. So. Don't yell. Don't yell. Let me tell them what we're doing.
We are going to a pizza place.
To a pizza place.
A 4-minute walk.
Look.
Every night.
Look at Mommy Gail. She's busy on her phone.
Right. No, you're not.
We are headed to go to dinner. I was gonna put some hair in my hair, but we didn't get to do that.
Hi, little birdie.
Look at how gorgeous. Look at how gorgeous Chicago is. Like, you don't see any of this in Birmingham. We have no skyscrapers.
Don't you shut your mouth. What I do is for the kingdom.
Oh, it's so pretty at night.
That's what I want to ride. Look, see?
Get back.
So we came up here trying to get some ice cream. The line, the literal line.
Hello.
And we're at the end of the line. It goes all the way to the front, like wraps around. Wild. Is it worth it? I don't think so.
Hold it with 2 hands.
You guys want to see a show? Say yeah.
Come stand next to your brother.
Thank you. Thank you to the 5 of you.
Yeah!
Let's try it again. Y'all want to see a show? Say yeah!
Yeah!
Okay. So that the police don't shut me down. I'll do it. Look. You look. The line is right here. Whatever I do, kid, don't move. Okay? Okay. High five.
Good job!
Be good, bro.
Good
Be
job!
good.
Don't move!
If y'all enjoying your show so far, say yeah.
Yeah!
If you guys want to see some more, say yeah.
Yeah!
Now, I'm going to give you some more. But first, can everybody move up to the water to get away with that? He doesn't have to look like me. What's your name? Everybody say hi, Samuel.
Hi, Samuel!
I love that name because it's a biblical name. But before I do this with Samuel, I have a message for the kids. So kids, please listen up. You guys can be anything in this world that you want to be. If you're not clapping, you're gonna look racist. Let's go. That was my commercial. Back to the show. Now, watch out.
Yeah.
Oh, the wave. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Cartwheel. Make some noise.
Good job.
Make some noise. One hand. Oh.
It's okay, he's black. No.
Make some noise, y'all. One more time for the volunteer.
Good morning, y'all. We are so late. I started off the day just doing work. I had a lot of brand work that was due, some voiceovers I had to do. So the kids, hubby, dressed, showers, left downstairs, eating breakfast. And I just finished the work. If you've never been on my vlogs, I don't wear makeup when I go on vacation with my kids or my husband, just because, like, nobody cares. And I'm usually the last one to get dressed, get ready, and I'm always late because I have to get them ready first. So we're gonna try to take them to see Magnificent Mall, do a little bit of shopping, and then like this little place Sam wants us to go to in Chicago where you can see the whole city and it kind of tilts forward. The kids are gonna gag because it's a little scary. I've been to Chicago twice, so I've been there before. But we're keeping it really cute, really simple. I'm gonna set the camera down and just back up with this dress from Naked Wardrobe. This is her. She's a little baggy, and I don't have a bra on, so I'm thinking I'm going to put on like a little bralette because, you know, the boobs are low. You know, I've had 2 kids. They've suckled, gobble gobble Christmas dinner. So, you know, it's a little low.
They said the buffet's about to close, but 2 sides to it. You see how it connects?
I was confused. I thought I'm sure it was different.
Thank you.
Going to Chicago, like going out of the world.
I got it. Nobody's jumping.
Look at the island.
Yeah. And then look at the boats. Down in the city. We made it to the Field Museum, y'all. Sam said I've been here before, but I don't remember. 2015. 2015. Y'all youngins don't remember. That was too long ago. Is this from Night of the Museum? One, two. Got it. It's a, oh, is that a real animal? Oh, it's stuffed. Okay, it's just stuffed. Just say stuffed. Oh, God, these are real birds? Oh, y'all, look at that. What is that? I'm not touching that. That's a devil.
Bring the condom.
Abby, you gonna touch it? Go touch it. Oh, you gonna come here and not touch the... Look at this. Look at the fox.
They just killed
I don't think they just killed it, baby. Are these real fossils, babe? Yo, like they killed real birds to put in this cage. This is like absolutely wild to me. And a fox, wild. I see it, Sammy. I'm looking with my eyes. No, I don't like it.
Mom, this is not a snake. But it looks.
Yeah. Yeah, yo, I hate snakes. I had to get out of there. Okay, you guys, we're on to the next. The family came out of the nasty devil snake museum. And we're in the Americas. I don't know if the kids are gonna like this as much. Oh, we're underground. This is where how it looks when you're underneath the earth. You see all the tree branches?
Underneath the earth.
Well, this is what, oh look, it's a worm.
Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's a jellyfish. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Without the kids, just by ourselves.
Finally.
All right. And my camera's acting weird. I think I need to clean it. Yeah, it's dirty. We're trying to find an African restaurant, so I don't know how that's gonna be. Something that's not hole in the wall, but good food too, so. Okay, you guys, we tried to go to this West African restaurant, but of course, like a true Nigerian restaurant, the time online was not the time in person. So it's supposed to close at 10. We got here at 8. They're not open. They're not open. So yeah, like my people, I should have known to call to make sure they were even open. So it's a little dark, but we're headed to an Italian restaurant, Regalia. And hopefully they will regale us with a good time.
You say going for like a year.
Yeah, till I find a new one. I'd like to find one thing to commit to it for a long time.
Also,
Oh,
yeah.
you with your pretty drink.
Yeah, ain't no shame.
Good morning, you guys. We are up and at it. We woke up late again. We're headed to go get breakfast and then take the kids to the aquarium, do some shopping. So, yeah, we're vacationing. Last night was so good. We got to go out without the kids, go to dinner, just me and Sam. Restaurant was amazing. If you ever come to Chicago, check it out. The food was really, really good. So let's get our day started. Kids, come say hey. Okay. I said come, but it's okay. Let's go. I found this restaurant online for brunch called the Hampton Social. Entrance is that way. So we're gonna go do breakfast here. Come on, boys. Follow your dad. This was highly rated, so I hope the food is as good as it says online. Well,
Quesadilla with fries. Or the quesadilla.
The allergies anybody? No. All right. Today we have excellent oysters.
I want maybe.
Your dish.
So that it's. Kids.
We can't start until 2 o'clock. That's fine.
the rain got us so bad. My hair is done.
Don't look at it.
Oh yeah, crab.
Get it, Mama! Did he get it? Woo! The show?
We could catch another one. I'm sure they're doing that.
Camera.
Thank you.
Her little camera.
Huh?
It's easier than carrying a big.
It's so easy. Look, and then it turns around.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
I have to look for that.
It's a really good. Oh, they swim so fast.
Make sure you're not touching this one because it's flipping over. You can touch any of them except that one. It's flipping over. You can touch any of them except. Yeah.
Daddy touched one.
Oh, that's so cute.
Where did y'all go?
Y'all, we made it to our lunch spots. Our sister-in-law recommended Taco Maya. Never heard of it. But we're tired of chicken. We need something different. Different. What they say? They can sit.
We can sit either outside or inside.
I'll do inside.
Yeah, definitely inside. A little too hot.